So welcome to my channel guys. Today we are going to discuss this lead code daily problem of 2nd January 2022. So this is our lead code today problem. Number is 1010 and name of the problem is pair of song with total duration divisible by 60. So first we read out the description, then we further move to solve the problem. We see the approach, how can we solve this problem. So here we are given a list of songs where is song has a duration of time I second. We are given this array, and here 0th song will last for 30 seconds, first song for 20 seconds, and that rest up to. This is given the description for all songs of this array. So we have to return the number of pairs of song for which total duration in second is divisible by 60. So formally, what we have to do, we have to return the number of indices I comma j such that I greater than I less than 0. We can say I is not equal to j, and time I plus time the modulo 60 is equal to 0. So what we have to do, we have simply to do the sum of two different number in an array whose modulo is 60 is equal to 0. So here answer is equal to 3. So what we can see, and the three pairs are 30 and 150. 150 plus 30 is equal to 180. 180 modulo 60 is equal to 0. 20 plus 100, 120 modulo 60 is equal to 0. 20 plus 40, 60, 60 is equal to 0. And here all three numbers are modulo 60. So we can say the pair is 3. Like one pair is index 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, and 1 comma 2. These are three pairs we build here. We can build here from this given array. So now we moving to the approach. Oh, so this is my accepted solution. Yeah guys, this is my accepted solution. I have accepted this solution. I am taken a unordered map of int comma int type and name it as m. I've taken a variable c, and c is my variable who store the number of total pairs till ith number. I am explaining you in this loop what I am doing for auto. This is a loop for auto I colon time. Like here first I will do operation with 30, then I is equal to 20, then I is equal to 150, then I is equal to 100, then I is equal to 40, then this loop will end. I'm just explaining because some of you are maybe not familiar with this auto I modulo time, because mainly you use int I is equal to 0 to I less than time dot size type loop. So here what we do, c plus is equal to for up any particular number. Like if we are at 150, then at this particular number what we do, 60 minus modulo, like 60 minus modulo of this number is equal to 30. So 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. So if what we are doing, if we adding a number whose modulo is 30 with this 150, like we are adding 30, we are adding 90, we are adding 150, then we will got a number that is divided by 60. So we just add this, and why I am modulo again this with 60, I am explaining you with in this case, and I just increment I modulo 60 is equal to 0, is equal to plus plus. So but if you are looking in this case, if I am not writing here modulo, then you can see what will happen. And just it is just running. Sorry, I have to take this case. This is the output of first case. Now I take solving it for second example. It will show me answer as 0 because here m60, like do it with me. 60 modulo 60 is equal to 0. 60 minus 0 is equal to 60. M60 here is equal to 0, and m60 modulo 60 is equal to 0. Here we are incrementing 0, but we are adding here 60. So if we modulo 60 here, this modulo 60 is for these type of number where number is completely divisible by 60. Then 60, if I modulo 60 is equal to 0, yes, I modulo 60 is equal to 0. 60 minus 0 is equal to 60, and 60 modulo 60 will be equal to 0. So I just adding the number whose modulus is equal to 0 and whose modulus is not equal to 0 by doing this modulo 60. I think you are understand this is not so hard problem. So you can see here is my accepted solution for this case also. I am solving it for another two cases. This is accepted, and I can show you this is my accepted solution. Look at here, this is my accepted solution, same solution I have accepted. So I think you will understand this solution. If you not, then just dry run it with two or three cases, then you will surely be able to understand this problem. So I hope you will like it, and if you like it, then please subscribe my channel, because in my channel in future you will find many other coding problem solution like GFG POTD solution, problem of the day solution, lead code daily problem solution, and many other codes have code for contest solution. So if you like it, then please subscribe it. Thank you for watching this video completely. Thank you.